Hello, guys. How are you all? Sorry, I'm 12 minutes late here. Hello, Jissa. Hi, Sat Sri Akal. So, how are you all? How's your day going on? So, yesterday I've been asked many of you about the questions you guys want to talk. So, I've got again bade sare messages aye meko. So, that feels amazing. Hi, Priya. Hi, it's just Manik's craziest fan, yeah? Hello, Manu. I miss you. How are you? Long time, yaar. ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ ਸਾਡੀ. Hi, Shruti. Hello, Goldie Singh. Hi, it's modeling agency. So, कितना सारे जने आ दसो पहले ते. How's everything? I was not well. Like I'm still not so well. It's been 2-3 days. I'm having on and off fever going on, so I'm totally on rest these days. Not doing anything. So just having rest. Because many of you have asked me also, like the time I posted the video, like what happened to me. So I was just having fever on and off, but it's still better now. Hello, hi Tushar. Hello Kamal. Hi Priya, how are you? आज मैं लकी हो गई रानी दुबे की हो गया जी याद दसो मेरे पहला what exactly happened. Take my name, it's core_9062. She's my own sister and she want me to take her name. What is happening? You're looking very dull. What happened? I'm not well. It's been 2 days. I'm having on and off fever going on, and my body pain is like it's like hell sometimes. So it's paining a lot. I'm on my medications from last 2 days. Even I'm not sleeping well also. That's why I'm looking dull. So sorry about that. If to everyone I'm looking dull. Really sorry about it. हाँ तो हंस ला होने थे. Okay guys, so let's start talking because I have received like different kind of questions this time. So I was excited to answer. Like I'm very excited to answer on them. So first thing I really want to clear it out to the people who want to know again my age. It is 26. I'm 26 years old because I've been asked this question again for related to the DMs thing. Here is my brother also, Tajinder Singh. They all are on work right now actually. So they all are in the office. I'm not well, so I'm sitting home. Take care, T. Thank you. I'm actually taking care. I'm just sitting home, not doing anything. I was feeling really low right now also, so I was thinking to come live or should I take a day. Then I thought, no, I've given you all time, so I should come live. Okay, it's Altaf Siddiqui. I got emoji from you, and really that emojis made my day. Oh, that's so sweet. Yeah, I read your message after when I replied to you. Ma'am, please take 500 mg so that you can break fever. I took 1000. Last night I took 2 of the tablets. So it was 500 mg each. So it's fine. Like I'm not having my temperature right now, but my body is still feeling really low. You can see it on my face also. Don't be sorry, okay? You still look beautiful. Thank you. Sleep properly. I am like this is what happened. It started 4 days back because I was not able to sleep properly. I slept around like 2:30 or 3 and I woke up again morning, and from that time it started. Like I was not even realizing like I'm having a temperature on because I rarely get fever. Seriously, that like it's been long time, like years I never got fever. So like it must be like that, like I'm tired or something. Then I checked my temperature and it came out that girl, you have a fever, but it's better now. Like eye makeup giving competition to all the makeup artists. Nah, learning from you, Manu Kaur. I've learned like videos and all. I'm not giving any competition. I'm having fake lashes on also. मेरे अपने नहीं है अभी. So I have to make that video also, guys. Like few of the girls have asked me to make a video on how to apply fake lashes. So I'll be doing that also. I'm so excited to know everything about you. Yeah, let me know what you want to know. Hi Taran, shopping is an amazing song. Loved it. You were looking awesome. Tushar Salaria. Thank you so much. That's so amazing. Thank you. Add your age in your bio. Why do I do that? 26 years old, okay? I was born in 1994. That's it. I cannot say more than that, man. Okay, Pakka 26, yeah, Pakka 26. There is no doubt, okay? I can show my ID to you, all of you. मैं उससे ज़्यादा बड़ी नहीं लगती यार. Okay, कमल को काम नहीं है, ताई लग गया. हाँ, ये क्लाइंट्स पास जगह होने हैं प्रॉपर्टी वाले सारे. दीदी तुसी दिल तोड़ने से पहले पर वीडियो बनाकर टिकटॉक अपलोड करो ना प्लीज़ मुझे तुसी बहुत अच्छी वीडियोस बनाते. श्योर आई विल डू दैट. आई एम नॉट वेल फ्रॉम द लास्ट फ्यू डेज सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग मच. You're looking so gorgeous. Thank you. It's a filter on. This is not me right now. I on the filter, guys. Hi Dee, take care of yourself. I am taking care of myself. Thank you. Dee, पंजाबी ची गल करो यार. हाँ जी आज मैं पंजाबी ची गल करनी है. मैं बोलनी है ना हिंदी बोलनी है ना इंग्लिश बोलनी है. But yeah, अगर गलती ना आ गई तो I'm really sorry about it. You know guys, what happened? I want to share one incident with you all. A few days back, I was making one casting video because I had to give one casting video. मैं बना के भेजनी थी. I just did that, and they asked me because client asked me कि like जो agency he asked me कि make your casting video as an introduction in Hindi. Oh my God! I realized that day Hindi was tough saying to me in my casting. Like say your things in Hindi. Oh my God! It took me 3 takes to say those things. I just had to say my name, age and where am I from. That's it. And it took me 3 shots. Like I never realized Hindi can be inna problem honi hai mainu kadi. I'm born and brought up in Delhi. Hindi is the main thing we speak there. Oh God, that was crazy. या तुम्हें लाइव देखकर मेरा दिन बन जाता है. दैट्स नाइस. दिन बनाने आ गई मैं यहाँ पे. आई रियली लव योर शॉपिंग सॉन्ग. थैंक यू. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? आई वाज बोर्न एंड बॉट अप इन दिल्ली बट नाउ आई लिव इन दुबई. ए मेरे भैन भरा इतने लड़ी जाते हैं. तेरे कोल बड़ा काम है. दोनों जने कॉल कर लो एक दूजे ਨੂੰ यार. How was your reaction for shopping song? First thing, I couldn't believe that I got offered that song. That would happen, but I'm really thankful to the production team, the main person, Mr. Fahim. So he's an amazing person, I would say that, because he had offered me that. I feel amazing. I couldn't describe my happiness for a day. I was not I was not sure. Okay, this is happening means it's seriously happening. So it was like a big break for me. So I was super excited. Okay, if you're feeling low, then please take proper rest. Avoid your excessive mobile. I am taking rest, but yeah, I'm using a lot of like the screen. That's what's happening. But yeah, I'll be doing that. I'll be taking your advice. It's Manav Kapoor. Your smile is too adorable. Thank you. Photo editor editing what? आशीष यू माई फर्स्ट क्रश. अच्छा मेरे से पहले कोई क्रश नहीं हुआ आपका. इट्स AV983714 है यार. कितने लाइक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नाम रखते हो ना तुम लोग अपने आईडीज के. ओके पहले मुझे सच्ची बताओ मिस्टर आशीष, मेरे से पहले कोई क्रश नहीं हुआ आपका? अभी ये झूठ लग रहा है सच्ची में. Sorry, I gotta go after 10 minutes of my class. It's okay, Alankrit. Study hard. Hi Dee, you made my name. Hi ma'am, love from India. Lots of love, Simran. I'm also Indian, man. Hello Dee, it's Suhani. Ma'am, please इसको IGTV में डाल देना. Okay, I'll do that. No problem with it. Dee, you look so cute. School going Shizuka. I never watched Shinchan. Like I'm not a fan of it, but yeah, I've heard of the language. Tejinder, when are getting married? I heard you're getting married to PUBG. यार ਇਹਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਹੀ ਕਰਾ ਦੋ PUBG ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. ਲੱਗਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੈ. Were you born in Dubai or have you shifted to Dubai? I shifted to Dubai like it's been 5 years almost. I was born and brought up in Delhi. जस्ट मानी के साथ सॉन्ग कब आ रहा है अभी कुछ पता नहीं है. अभी फर्स्ट थिंग वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो इंडिया. वी नो केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं एंड नोबडी इज कमिंग हियर ऑल्सो फॉर द वर्क. It's not about filter. You're really cute. That's so sweet. It's Altaf Siddiqui. You made me happy. Thank you. There's a lot of messages here. Ha Manu. Chal rahe na tha. Your stepping TikTok video was so beautiful and perfect. Thank you, Manav. Okay, मैं इन लोगों को PUBG chat नहीं पढ़ने वाली अभी. They're going ahead with it. So this is so weird. Okay, guys. I want to talk about one of the topic that have been asked in the question and answers that I've asked कि आप लोग को क्या बात करना है. There was a girl who asked me to talk about a girl's figure. I would say that girls को कोई ऐसा कोई particular figure नहीं होता. Everyone has their own body structure. We all have our different body structure. So it's your decision. You wanna be slim, you wanna keep it healthy, you wanna the way you want. Nobody can say कि this is what a particular a frame for a girl figure. So don't keep that in your head. Just stay happy, be happy in your own skin, in your body. That's what makes you happy. But yeah, if you have a goal to reduce weight, or you want to be like make into the muscles thing, or you want to work out, you have that image in your head, then work out. But don't take that tension, because there is nothing particular for you guys to have. This is what a perfect girl. There is no one perfect. There is no one seems to be like, okay, this is what this girl is perfect. Now, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. So even you have little chubby cheeks, you're skinny, or you have some pounds, doesn't matter. Just be happy. And yeah, if you have your goal, just work on it. I would say that. तो मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि I would say कि this is thing for a perfect girl routine or a girl skin. No, we all are different. We all are perfect in our own way. Imperfections makes us perfect, I would say that, because कोई भी 100% perfect नहीं होता यार. So to all the ones, those who think कि एक particular frame होना चाहिए for a girl to be in, no, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are girls who are rocking in pounds, man. It's amazing. It's all about the confidence that you have in yourself. So always keep that in your head. जॉलाइन का एक्सरसाइज IGTV पे बनाओ. श्योर जी, बनाते हैं. I'll make that. Let me just feel a little better, so then I will make it for sure. Okay. दी बिना फिल्टर के आप थोड़े कम क्यूट लग रहे हो. ये फिल्टर है. अभी तो मैंने बिना फिल्टर के आई नहीं मैं, बिकॉज मैं बहुत डाउन लग रही हूँ आज. सो आई थॉट टू बॉर्न द फिल्टर. ओ माई बैड, मेरा नेट मुक्कन वाला can't be able to be in live mode. It's okay. Bye चला लो. How to start modeling? Okay, to start a modeling, I would say that make your portfolio first. That's the first step you guys can make it. Click your pictures, from a professional person who's a professional photographer who can, edit it in that way. And have it, like, make your portfolio, and then you should contact with the agencies, because agencies really helps you out to get the work. Either you want to be in kind of a commercial, so you want to go with, it depends what your goal is. You want to be in a fashion world, you want to be into only the commercials, because the modeling industry is so big. Like, there is not even think that this is just limited. It's not. There is a lot of opportunities there, but it all depends on your contacts later on, and if you get an opportunity to work, how you're going to utilize it. But the first basic thing is make your portfolio, because agencies won't be taking the normal pictures that we take. It's not going to happen. So you guys have to create your portfolio first. Okay, and I would say that contact with the well-known agencies wherever you're living. If you're in India, there are many well-known agencies that you can find that. Yeah, the well-knowns, they do charge as well, but it's worth. From the starting, we have to do some investment for anything we are starting up. So it's better, because you're gonna get it back in 1 or 2 shoots once you're gonna be selected for the brands or whatever kind of work you're getting it. So investment is very important. So do that. But create your portfolio, and agencies do help you to create portfolios as well, so you can contact them directly. Hello Jesper, दी आप मेरी जान हो. That's so sweet. Ma'am, your favorite Bollywood star? My favorite Bollywood star in male is Ranveer Singh, as I always say. Why you shift in Dubai? I live here with my family, so my whole family is here. मैं तो आपसे सच में मिलना चाहती हूँ. आओ, प्लीज, मोस्ट वेलकम. बट या, जस्ट गेट सेफ फर्स्ट. लेट ट्रैवल गेट बिट बेटर फॉर दिस वायरस विच इज गोइंग ऑन, एंड देन डेफिनेटली विल मीट. आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू कम इंडिया, बट आई गेस अभी होने वाला नहीं है, बिकॉज द सिचुएशन इन इंडिया इज नॉट गुड एट ऑल, एंड इट्स नॉट सेफ टू ट्रैवल अभी. यू आर माई फेवरेट मॉडल. थैंक यू. प्लीज टेक माई नेम. इट्स सानिया, पिकू गर्ल. हेलो पिकू. जब मैं इंडिया आऊंगी, जलंधर भी आ जाऊंगी मनीष जी, पर अभी इंडिया ही नहीं आ सकते ना, बिकॉज वॉट एवर थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग हियर, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग. Okay, I mean, how did you get an offer for being the lead model in the song Shopping? I mean, did they like your IG profile or what? Okay, to get a lead thing in the IG for the shopping song is that I am working here in commercials. I have my portfolio done. I have my work experience because I am into modeling from last 2 years. And with the production team, I have worked before in another song as well. It didn't come out yet. It's been a year. We have shooted that song, but hopefully it will come by this year. So from that, because he knows me, then my profile has gone out there to the clients, and then I got selected. फिर इंग्लिश से आ गई यार. आई डोंट नो, बड़ा बुरा हाल है मेरा. मैम आपने लेंस लगाए? नहीं यार, ये तो मेरी नेचुरल आइज है. लेंस इफ आई मेक, आई कीप देम लाइटर. आई एम यूजिंग हनी कलर दीज डेज. काफ़ी शाइन कर रही है आइज, है ना? That's so cool. अच्छी बात है. फिल्टर गाइज, फिल्टर यूज कर रहा है. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, यू गाइज आर अंडर. It's the normal one, like it's a basic filter I've used. No one is perfect. No one is perfect, man. Wherever you are, we all make mistakes. Perfections means you don't make mistakes, and we all do. We are humans. We are made to make mistakes. Learn from it. That's it. Hello Di, hi Jasmeet. Ma'am Punjabi bolo please. आ गई पंजाबी पे आ गई पक्का. दुख किनु किनु song बहुत अच्छा song है. Thank you. I personally like that song. It's a very beautiful. Like the lyrics are really good. They are so perfect. Please try if you can create a YouTube. I am thinking about it, so don't worry about it. Soon I'll be giving an update. मैं जल्दी इस पे update दूंगी. Oh sorry guys. Shit. मुझे वापस हिंदी पंजाबी पे आना है. Any outfit you wear always suits you. Thank you. That's so sweet. I believe it's the way, like the way you'll carry yourself. Your hairs make a difference. Your shoes make a difference. The whole appearance. The way you're making your face, like the makeup you're doing, it makes a difference. So yeah, everything has to be match up, and you gotta rock it. Ma'am, let me know the best workout for the weight lose. Okay, for the weight lose, there is nothing like this particular workout will be best. I would say that workout at least 5 to 6 days a week. Take 1 day rest would be better. And you have to find out, because if you're overweight, I would suggest start with the cardio and then go to the weight trainings. Okay, and then it will help you out. And the diet makes a big difference. You have to stop eating outside food. You have to stop eating all the fried food, even if you're making at home. So fried food has to be a big no, because they are the culprits. Fat, a lot of fat is there, so you have to take care of it. And there are many exercises, I would say that you can, with the cardios, just go with the I was following up one, I'll tell you. At home, I was following up one workout session. It was 45 minutes workout session, which was actually burning out 550 calories as per them. But I would say that it was insane. The workout was insane. After doing that workout for 2 days, I was not able to do a workout, because each muscle, because it was a full body workout that I did, each muscle was like having a cramps there. So that was amazing. And start with the basic exercises. If you haven't started, start with your squats, your lunges, go with the jumping jacks, do burpees. They are amazing. You should do it. It includes, it covers the full body in that. And then if you can get your personal trainer, that will also help you out. Skipping rope, easiest way if you don't want to do, if you don't want to do anything really advanced. So go with the skipping rope. Do the ab exercises as well. So that really helps out. Okay. The one thing, what is it? It doesn't matter how you are, but there are many people who judge on someone's body or figure. Look, man, everybody judges everyone, okay? Like, even you're skinny, people will judge you. It happens with me. Like, मेरे खुद के घर में बोलते हैं तू बहुत पतली है, तू बहुत पतली, you should eat. Like my relatives, if they call, she is so skinny, she should eat something. People, they'll judge you, okay? If you're healthy, okay, they'll not take out anything out from your body, then something else, okay? Maybe your hair, maybe about your clothing, anything. लोगों का काम है यार जज करना. Let them do. तुम लोग वो करो which you feel that you are confident in that. You don't let anyone interfere in your personal space at all. They don't have any right except your family. With family you can talk. Look, I won't say that you have to get rude. Just don't accept that thing, because you know yourself better than anyone in the world. Even you know your better self than your brother or sisters. Talk to them. If they think this is what it is, you can tell. If they're wrong, you can just tell them, no, this is not like that. Hi Lemmy, I'll call you after this. Okay, so लोगों का काम है जज करना. Don't keep it on you. Never. Some people, like on social media, people judge you. They don't know, like they don't know a 0.1% about your life or about yourself, how you are actually, in a real life, how you are as a person. When we are on the screen or we portray, that's the way we choose कि हम लोगों को ऐसा दिखना है, हम लोगों को ऐसी बात करनी है, and you guys like us that way. In real life, maybe nobody knows about. If you talk about any of your favorite actor, any of your favorite singer, you guys don't know how they are in their personal life. So judgments are always there, but do what you think is best for you. I would suggest that. So don't take people's suggestion, man. बहुत लोग मिलेंगे, but don't let it on yourself, please. दीदू दिल्ली आ जाओ प्लीज. वायरस चला जाएगा पक्का दिल्ली आ जाऊंगी यार. अब भी नहीं आने वाली मैं. Okay, I have a lot of messages here. I guess I missed also many of them. It's hair, not hairs. I said hair, Miss Simran Bedi ji. Maybe you misunderstood it. Really sorry about that. It was hair. See, judgments are everywhere, man. Hair also, so it is okay. Okay, let me start. Where do you belong from India? I was born and brought up in Delhi. मेरी डिमांड डन होना टाल सुना चाह रहे शॉपिंग के ले जा. दैट्स सो स्वीट. प्लीज मैम मेरा नाम ले लो. इट्स जस्ट मोनाक. खरीद के रखा हुआ है स्किपिंग रोप, लेकिन यूज ही नहीं होता. यूज क्यों नहीं होता? यू हैव टू टेक इट. जंप विद इट. यू हैव टू यूज इट. दैट विल पावर यू हैव टू टेक इट आउट. क्योंकि मोटिवेशन कोई और नहीं देने वाला. यू गाइज हैव टू हैव इन यू एंड यू हैव टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट देन. मैं कुछ किया सी तो I don't know what you have said. It is official. What is that? Ritika? Someone is there. Do please drink water. Please say you are attending all the members and please take rest also. Sorry अगर आप गुस्सा हुए हो. नहीं मैं गुस्सा नहीं हुई. I am all good. I had water before starting this. I'll have it later on. Thank you so much for the care. मन्नत. दीदू तुसी लाइव शेयर कर देना प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. ओके जी I'll do that. पक्का. लोग जज नहीं करेंगे तो उनका सांस लेना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. दैट इज वेरी ट्रू मैन. लाइक दे कांट डाइजेस्ट देयर फूड. लाइक आज शाम को बैठ के अगर गपशप नहीं मारी, चुगलियां नहीं करी, तो कैसे दिन निकलेगा ना. सो दे हैव दैट वर्क दैट डू देयर टाइम पास प्रॉपरली. सो लेट देम डू. इट्स ओके. Yeah, they never allow someone to enter in my personal life or space. It should be like that. You shouldn't be allowed because that will affect you. That'll hit your confidence at that time. So never let anyone do that. Because some people call it you are being selfish. I'll say it's a self-love. You're taking care of your feelings yourself. So that's not a selfish. We are responsible for happiness. Then we can be, around people and make them feel better in front of us. Imagine you're sad, you have a lot of feelings inside you, you're so hurt and you're being around 5 people. You won't be able to give your best to them at all. So you have to start loving yourself. You have to take care of your feelings first. So true, people gonna judge at their job, man. We ain't gonna stop living because of them judging out there. We shouldn't be. Like everywhere, everybody judges. Like maybe not anyone you know, someone else. You're walking on the street, somebody is just looking at you, maybe judging your personality or the way you're talking. So it's people's job. Let them do their job. You just be happy. That will kill it. It's very simple. Your eyes. Wow, thank you. I'll tell you one story. When I was young, like I was like a teenage, it used to affect me. I used to see people and I used to think, okay, are they talking about me? Is it something that I have done? And that won't let you grow. Like you won't feel like, you're confident. You'll always be conscious. So don't let it hit on yourself. Now I'm like tension free. If they are judging you, let them be. They'll be happy. They are actually doing something for their time pass. You do what can be good for you. That is it. It's not hair. It's hair, not hairs. Girl, how many times are you gonna write this thing? यही पूछ पूछ के परेशान कर देना है लोगों को. कि कहाँ रहते हैं, कहाँ रहते हैं. ये भी मैं अपने बायो में लिख देती हूँ, लाइक आई वाज born and brought up in Delhi. That will be fine, right? कि मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, that will be better. You can please sing a line. मैंने हर बार ही गाई यार. अभी तो मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, थोड़ा रहम करो भी मुझ पे. मैम आपकी स्माइल बहुत अच्छी है, थैंक यू. Okay, let me see what question you have. I forgot the other question. There was something about my height also. What's my height? So guys, I'm 5'2". So मैंने ये आके सबने पिछले वाले लाइव सेशन में भी बोला था यार. So those who are asking me again, so I'm 5'2". Your sketch is on the way, ma'am. Okay, I'm waiting. Hey, makeup so beautiful yaar. Makeup queen, wow. Files queen, killer smile and killer eyes. Okay, killer smile, killer eyes, I love it. Thank you. Okay. Dee, really polite and humble. Nature is so nice and inspiring. Really liked your down-to-earth nature as compared to other fellows. Thank you, darling. Look, I try my level best. Where like I also get messages like, you know, I didn't reply today. I didn't answer to some of the DMs today. So I just tell them one thing. Guys, I do have my personal life as well. So I might be busy there. Or maybe I'm not feeling well. So that space has to be there all the time. ਤੁਸੀਂ 26 ਤੇ ਨੇ 19 ਦੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਹੋ. That is the best thing that I got then कि मैं 26 की नहीं लगती. Oh, that's so cool. You made my day. Okay. You look 18. Look, when I was 18, I used to look 25, 26 because I was fat. Oh God, it's like so opposite right now. Like when you're 26, you look 18. When you were 18, you used to look like 25, 20. I have shared one picture of mine. I guess most of you have seen as well. I don't look 18 at that time. That was like my 18th birthday only. But yeah, I look so fat there. It was okay. Yeah, it was fine. So there was a skin routine question that one or two of you have asked me. So I would say that whenever you are actually taking care of your skin, always clean it properly before sleeping at night. That's the most important thing that you should do, you know, because sleeping with makeup on or you haven't cleaned it, you didn't wash it, so it will clog the pores also, and you will face the pimples on your face and maybe some other kind of issues that you have it. And on the other side, always make it, you know, dehydrated. Drink a lot of water, because that's one of the things. Your skin feels freshes, it looks freshes. And then use as much as you can do the organic products or the homemade things. Don't go on the chemicals. There are lots of stuffs in the market. I would say that use the ones that are organic ones. Okay, but don't go with everything with the chemicals. Try to have one or two, and then you know, for the remedies, use the homemade. I like to use the homemades even for the body scrubs. My body scrub is also made up at home only. That really helps you out. You don't have to go with the chemical stuffs all the time, because if you're going and, you know, seeing there is a new coffee scrubs comes up, you have coffee in your house, you can make it at home. It's too easy. So just go with the homemade things. That's how you can make your skin better. And never ever sleep with your makeup on. 1 or 2 times is okay in 2-3 months. Don't take it a week, because we have that nights when, you know, when you're too lazy or you're too tired that you are unable to remove that, or you just want to be on the bed. That is okay. That can be exceptional. But yeah, try to do it most of the time. How's your day going currently? My day is quite fine. Like I was all on the bed and I was not doing anything, because I just had my medicine like few hours back. I have to take it back again. Otherwise, mummy ka danda aa jayega. Tune medicine khai ya nahi khai? So that what happens. Your favorite fan page and your fan pages. I love all of them. Trust me, guys. I feel so good. Like you guys have made so many of them, and you all are active on it. That makes me feel so better. Like it makes me feel so happy, like when you guys tag me, do the edits. Oh my god, that is insane, and I love it. And I love you all, those who have made it and doing so much efforts, you know, to run the fan pages. Thank you, and lots of love. Okay, let's see what we have it. मेरे bestie है वो cute सा. कौन है bestie? I don't know what you said. Okay, I have to say someone's name. It's मैम आप name ले लो अंकु का. Okay, Anku, where are you? I can't see. I've missed some of the messages, I guess, you know. So I'm just saying, okay, please मेरा नाम ले लो. नाम has gone ऊपर अभी because नीचे messages आ गए. So it's I, Aditi Rawat, right? Okay, that was fine. How are you with so many question marks? I'm all good, Vinay. I'm all good. You're beautiful. You're my inspiration. You're really kind-hearted. Ah, thank you, Zora. That's so sweet. This girl always tagged me in so many pictures. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's your motivation? My motivation for doing a work, make a plan and start working on it. Because whatever you have done already, step ahead from it. And when you make it difficult for yourself, you know you have to, work on it. And make up your mind, think about it all the time. If this happens, how good it will be, what other opportunities you'll be getting it, rather just stucking on the one path. And when you make up your mind, it motivates you all the time. First, for your motivation, the mindset is really, really important. I would say that even it is related to your fitness, even it is related to your work, for anything, the mind plays a major role. I'll tell you one thing, like, which I have notices in my thing. Whenever we do exercise, it's in the head. If the body will not give up first, it's your mind that give up first. It's same thing. If you are working on something related to your work, related to anything, if your mind gives up on that thing, do anything, it's not gonna happen. You have to keep your mind positive all the time. Like, with me, whatever is happening, even the work gets affected, anything, whatever is getting affected, there's one thing I have in me, like, think positive. There must be something good God has thought of it. Like, if this is happening that way, it is not happening the way I thought. So there is something good in it, which maybe I know it later. Okay, there are some other plans, and it actually happens like that because we are taking everything in a positive way. Positivity is the main motivation that I have. So even your work is not getting way better right now, there's something way more better is waiting for you. Just work hard, don't stop. If you're sitting only and thinking something good will happen, it won't happen, guys. You have to keep on working hard on it and things will happen for you. So positivity is the main motivation. Lots of love from Dehradun. Love you. What is it? Isha Nam. Lona, please. Isha, hello. Lots of love from Delhi. Love you from Delhi. How's the condition in Delhi right now? Like, how's everything there? Because I've talked to one of my friend, like he's from India, but I guess not from Delhi. So he was saying the situation is not that good. Would you please reply to my DM if I tell that I really, really adore you? You're so freaking beautiful. Even I would make my day. I would be so grateful. Yeah, sure. I do reply DMs, guys. But don't just say hi because with the hi ones, I reply them very late. I go with those who have written messages on me. They want to ask something to me or they want to know something about me. I reply them faster, way more faster than just the hi message. So type something which you want to talk about it. Menu shopping te le ja tere naal sonia. It's what is written here. इतनी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं यार. आई डोंट रियलाइज एक्चुअली वो अपने आप ही आ जाती है समटाइम्स ना. मुझे ऐसा होता है कि मुझे हिंदी में बात करनी है या पंजाबी में बात करनी है. वो चल रहा है अभी. सो आई डोंट नो. आई एम रियली सॉरी. लॉट्स ऑफ लव फ्रॉम स्पेन. इट्स लवली इन बिंद्रा. मैम पलक नाम ले लो. ओके मुझे सच्ची में लगा पालक लिखा हुआ है वहाँ पे. ओह माय गॉड शिट. ओके हाय पालक. मेरा आई गेस पालक पनीर खाने का मन कर रहा है अभी. That's so crazy shit. दिया बहुत अच्छे हो सच में. शायरी आपके लिए आसमान में शायर के आसमान में तारे तो बहुत हैं पर चांद पर से कोई ना धरती में. वेट there's so many messages. धरती where am I? वे बहुत से चेहरे पर आप जैसा कोई नहीं. That's so sweet. There are way more beautiful people out there than me. I believe that everyone is beautiful. I see a lot of beautiful people out there, but thank you so much. Thank you. When are you coming to Mumbai? Goldie Singh. I will come whenever I am able to come to India. That's the one more thing because condition is not much better there. So we have to wait until, you know, the things get better in India, because we have a lot of cases there. So soon, maybe by end of year, if the travel is fine and situation is getting better in India. इंग्लिश के 11 बैंड आपको दे देता 11 बैंड क्यों दे रहे हो यार that's crazy. मैं IELTS का एग्जाम थोड़ी दे रही हूँ यहाँ पे बैठ के. You look good in red and black. Thank you. I realized one thing, guys. I don't know how many of you have realized that most of my posts from the last days, they're all in black. I was like, are you serious? I didn't realize it. I was just checking my profile last night. I was like, okay, they are mostly in black. That's why I was keep on getting these messages and the compliments. Oh, you look good in black. I was like, well, everybody's just talking about the black. Then I realized, okay, most of my posts are on black itself. So I have to change that. Ma'am, I like palak paneer. High five! I love palak paneer, man. Oh my god, I can eat it anytime. रवलीन बोल दो प्लीज. हाय रवलीन, मेरा बर्थडे मुझे विश कर दो. ओके. हाय रानी दुबे, विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू. हैव अ ग्रेट लॉकडाउन बर्थडे. आप लास्ट टाइम जसमानिक से कब मिले थे? द लास्ट डे वी शूटेड बिकॉज ही फ्लू बैक. द होल टीम फ्लू बैक टू इंडिया on the day we finished the shooting. Yeah, and I live here, so I'm here. I didn't travel to India, or neither they have come back to Dubai. You're very beautiful, Zohra. Thank you. मेरा नेट खत्म हो रहा है. So sorry about your net. दुबई का हाल कैसा? Dubai is pretty much fine here now. Like the life is back on track here. We do have everyday cases, but the numbers are still, you know, around 500 to 600 in between. But yeah, with the precautions, we are getting back into the track. Let's start a rapid fire. Okay, what's the rapid fire? I really want to know. What is it? Are you gonna ask me the questions or I have to ask the questions? What's happening? Pizza versus Pani Puri. Pani Puri, man. There is no competition with the Pani Puri. Damn, never. Pani Puri. Okay. I am missing. Where do you live in Dubai? I live in Dubai. Al Khail Gate. Okay, I guess I just answered आपकी जस माने के साथ लास्ट बात कब हुई थी. I just answered that. मैम प्लीज दीपाली नाम ले लीजिए. हाय दीपाली. ज्यादा घूमो मत, घर बैठी हूँ यार, और कहाँ घूम रही हूँ मैं. बट मैं तो मजाक कर रही थी. मेरा बर्थडे गया belated. That is so bad, man. You can't be saying it because I don't know when is your birthday. I'm just telling you the way you're telling me. Okay, your hobbies. My hobbies, I love to go out. I'm an outdoor person, man. Like there are moods when I want to be, I want to sit at home, but yeah, most of the times I want to go out. I like to listen to Punjabi music. I love reading novels. Most of them are related to love novels only. So I love reading novels. I love to watch horror movies. That's one of the hobbies that I got now. Like if I'm bored, I wanna, you know, just watch the horror movies. That's what I do. And I like it's not about a hobby, you would say that, like, but outings and, you know, doing the outdoor stuffs, it's all included in it. मैम ताइसन अपने कमेंट की स्टोरी डाली. आई ऑल्सो लव टॉम एंड जेरी. दैट्स ग्रेट. टॉम एंड जेरी इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट यार. What's your height? See, मैंने अभी स्टार्टिंग में आंसर दिया. आई टोल्ड यू ना, द क्वेश्चंस आर रिपीटेटिव. आई एम 5'2", डार्लिंग. Facebook or Instagram? Instagram is my top favorite app. I'm mostly active on Instagram than any other app. गोवा कुमकुम के आप बोर हो गए थे यार. मेरा गोवा जाने का प्लान बन रहा था अभी अराउंड इन ऑगस्ट ऑफ सितंबर, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स गोना हैपन बिकॉज इंडिया के केसेस ही नहीं खत्म हो रहे हैं. सो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स गोना हैपन. लेट्स सी, होप फॉर द बेस्ट. मैम पंजाबी में आप भी बोलिए ना. पंजाबी में बात करूँ ना इसमें. ओके, आई एम एक्चुअली आई गेस टॉकिंग नहीं, हिंदी पंजाबी मिक्स हो रहा है यार मेरा. सो सॉरी. प्लीज गिव मी सम हाइट इंक्रीज टिप. गो फॉर स्विमिंग. इट रियली हेल्प्स आउट. इट स्ट्रेचेस द बॉडी. डू स्ट्रेचिंग, यू नो, hang yourself, double stretch yourself, do the whole body stretching, include like the yoga exercises. They really stretch out the body. That will help you. These are what, you know, because if you're more into the physical activities, like you're more into the sports, your body will respond to it and you'll increase your height. मैं कभी कभी बोलती हूँ अपनी मम्मा को लाइक हम लोगों को फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज में डालना चाहिए था ज़्यादा, छोटे से रह गए थोड़े लंबे और हो जाते. ओके. There was one more question. iOS or Android? iOS man. Android use करे हुए ज़माने हो गए मेरे को भी. And literally my brother he uses Samsung. Okay. If I have to use his phone, I have to ask him. अच्छा ये बताइए वो इधर जाना है मुझे बताइए. Like it's out of my mind right now. Like I'm so used to of the Apple now. So it's like trapped in Apple's thing. What's your current favorite song? Current favorite song is that Lifeline. That is by. Oh god, Singa. Yeah, I love that song. It's so repetitive. And that one, Ajkal Ve by Sidhu Moosewala. I'm more into romantic kind of a love songs actually. Then the beats up. That there is a mood to make on that. But I love listening to more of a romantic kind of songs. Football khelo bhai height badi. I told more into physical activities. If football is a physical game, so yeah, if you're more into physical activities, the height will increase definitely. Ma'am, your brother follows me. That's nice. Amazing. Mr. Tajinder Singh. ओके. शॉपिंग सॉन्ग के बाद आपकी आईडी इतनी ढूंढी ना, मुझे इतनी पसंद आ गई थी आप, बट मिली ही नहीं मुझे आप. फिर मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड से बोला, देन अब जाके मुझे आईडी मिली आपकी इंस्टा की. इट्स अंकित मीना something up that. Okay, that's so sweet. I've actually heard like most of you guys have an issue finding my ID, but if you write on Google like like if you don't know my name, but even on YouTube under there the female lead, my name is mentioned there. So if you type that name over there, you will find out that in the shopping song. So my Instagram ID shows up there. आपने कभी शॉपिंग सॉन्ग की तरह किसी से कुछ मांगा? यार आई बाय माई सेल्फ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम माई स्टफ. दिस इज व्हाट आई डू. Even if I have to buy something, I go and then start buying it stuff. But yeah, with my siblings, we do like that. अच्छा चल मुझे आज ये लेके दे दे, मुझे आज वो लेके दे, and he says, okay आज मुझे ये लेना है. So we do with each other. That goes with the siblings. It has to be like that. Please, please, please say my name. Okay, this is Zohra. Cricket पसंद है या other game? I don't like watch. I don't even like watching cricket. When I was a kid, I used to play with my cousins. And I always used to be, हम लोग छत पे खेला करते थे बैट बॉल. तो what I used to do, I used to go with that cousins team, जिसका मुझे पता वो जीतेगा because मेरे तो शॉट्स लगने वाले नहीं है. So that's what I used to do. I was quite young at that time. And उसके बाद से there is no, I'm not into cricket at all. Hello, Sat Shri Akal, it's Paramveer. Okay. अंकु की शायरी से पढ़ लो. कहाँ लिखा अंकु ने शायरी, कहाँ लिखी पहले मुझे ये बताओ. ओके. हाय दिव्य पाथा थापा, सॉरी इट्स थापा एज इन पाथा. शिट. हाय दिव्य थापा. नॉट मेंशन. आई चेक. इट इज देयर डार्लिंग. आई विल शेयर द स्क्रीनशॉट. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. आई विल शेयर द स्क्रीनशॉट विद यू. पाव भाजी और छोले. I don't like fried food. Pav is totally into butter, but I like only the bhaji of it. So I'll go for the chole. I love chole. Please say my name. I'm Anku. Hi, just Monak Anku. Okay. Yeah, it was a bit of struggle to find your ID on Instagram, but I just found it out today and just took at my luck. You're live today. I feel so grateful. That's so nice. Yeah, actually, I was sitting around. I was getting a notification like Amreen or X, like your photo. I was like, who's that guy? Like it's a new follower, I guess. And yeah, now I've talked to you here, so that's amazing. Favorite TikToker? I like Avneet. Like she's too good, man. Her videos and everything, she's so damn beautiful. मैम मेरी शायरी पढ़ लो. यार शायरी कहाँ लिखी है? इतने सारे मैसेजेस आए चले गए. सो सॉरी. ती मुझे माने के सॉन्ग सुनने हैं, जल्दी शॉपिंग सॉन्ग गा दो. मैं ना पीछे चला देती हूँ. that I can do. Like I cannot sing today. I'm not feeling much well, so sorry about it. You're still young, Di. Who said I am old, man? I am young. 26 is not old at all. You're young. Even you're in 30s. You have to be young all the time. I don't even look old. ऐसे मत बोलो यार. You're still young. That makes me feel like, oh my god, am I getting old? The premium foodie. Big. There's so many bigs there. Fan of you, Di. Oh, thank you so much. Just a plug. Your height is cute. I am cute. Thank you. Actually, everybody says that, so it's good. And it's not about the height, man. Like it's not, height is not a major thing at the work. You have heels to wear. Even the shoes are with heels these days. So it doesn't matter. It's all fine. You're a Disney, am I? What character of a Disney am I? Tell me that first. I really want to know. But I really want to thank you guys. Like, you know, I was so low. Like, even I was just laying down on the bed before this live session. And I just got up 15 minutes before, like, you know, I have to get up and I have to talk to you all. I feel really better. I guess mera bhi temperature jane wala hai. So that'll be nice. Thank you so much, my John, for saying my name. Thank you. I want girlfriend like you because how you pay the shopping bill in the shopping song lots of love. So basically, you need a girlfriend who pays your bill, man. I guess Conti have a contribution 50-50 from both sides. You pay, she pays 50-50. That has to be like that, like an equal kind of a relationship. Neither a girl should look for a guy who pays her bills all the time. Neither a boy should look for a girl who pays his bills all the time. It has to be, you know, equality and being together for everything and 50-50 for everything. I believe that. That's my opinion. You all have your opinions on that, so it's fine. How old am I? I'm 26. It's a big thing. 26. I've said that also, like when I was having that game on, the most kind of like the most asked question is that, and it really makes me like, you know, why I've said it so many times. आपके dimples भी बढ़ता है या यहाँ बढ़ता है, एक ही बढ़ता है अभी तो. The second one is coming up. It's not that visible. Polly, hi Polly. Say my name, ma'am, please. It's Abhi Vedya. I'll share this live session. Don't worry. Those who were writing that share this live session, I will be doing that. Don't worry about it. I wish that you achieve more success in your life. Thank you. That's premium. So the premium foodie, yeah. Punjabi में जैसे भी Canada पर अपा पंजाबी है. Doesn't matter where you are. Like चाहे तुसी Canada रह रहे हो, चाहे US रह रहे हो, Dubai रह रहे हो, wherever you're living. Look, I'll tell you one thing, okay? I have seen people, those who say, बाहर जाके बदल के. It's not like that. You're growing. This is the growth you're having it. And if either you're speaking in English, doesn't mean that you're forgetting your own language. Like at home, we talk in Punjabi. ਆਪਾਂ ਘਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. I'm meeting some of my friends, we talk in Punjabi, those who are Punjabi. It's just we are so much, you know, talking into the English language here when we go out and everything. So it's like a habit now. So it's not intentionally comes up. Like even if I'm trying, even मैं try भी करूँगी पंजाबी च बोलूँगी, within 5 minutes I'll be back into the English. That's what happens. So sorry, I'm trying my level best. So let me do. You know what? You should probably change your username at Turnpree26 or else they're gonna go mad. Okay, let it be Turnpree220 then. So just think about it. I'm 22 years old, guys. Until the username is the same, so I'll be more than happy rather just having 26. Otherwise, I have to change it each year. Like each year. Next year, when 27 karna bajana, but 28 karna bajana. Better let it be 22. 22, great age for me then. आप एक बार शॉपिंग चलोगे मेरे साथ आशीष? डेफिनेटली, लेट्स गो. आई एम अ शॉपिंग हॉलिक पर्सन. लाइक आई लव डूइंग शॉपिंग. सो कभी भी शॉपिंग वाली गर्ल जी, आई सो क्यूट. थैंक यू. आई एम गोना बी टेकिंग रेस्ट आफ्टर दिस लाइव सेशन. आई एम फीलिंग नाउ बिट लो. बुरा लगे तो सॉरी. नहीं मैंने बुरा नहीं लगे. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, लाइक वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ अ परसेप्शन समटाइम्स कि, you know, why you're not talking just in Punjabi. I don't feel bad. I'm just telling you my opinion, so don't worry about it. And there is nothing to feel bad about it. Keep up the good vibes all the time. Positivity is always there. Why are you ignoring my questions, Bhavya Kapoor? I'm so sorry, love. I am not ignoring. I'm like, you know what's happening? I'm talking. The questions are automatically going up. So whatever I can see right now, I'm just answering them. So you can repeat it, please, for me. Thank you. मैं भी फैन है ਤੁਹਾਡਾ जो मैंने सही लग गया मैं कहता. Definitely. Look, that's what I'm saying. We all have opinions. ठीक है? We all have a different way to see the life, and ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ different way ਨਾਲ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ. So some things may be right for someone, maybe not right for me. Something which is right for me, maybe ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ. So it's all fine. We need to respect that. We don't have to blame for it. Because ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਰਹਿਣਾ, the way of seeing life is different. So we should learn to respect each other's thoughts and because nothing is happening now, we are not affecting each other, so it is okay. So don't worry, मैंने बुरा नहीं लग गया, I'm all fine. आ जाओ फिर सीपी चलते शॉपिंग पे. मैं कभी सीपी नहीं गई शॉपिंग करने मैन. आई सी पीपल यू नो लाइक आई हैव नेवर बीन टू सीपी फॉर शॉपिंग, बट व्हाई नॉट, कभी ट्राई करते हैं. वुड लव टू डू दैट. दे सेड दैट वहाँ पे लाइक यू गेट लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स इन अ चीपर प्राइस ऑल्सो. करना पड़ेगा. Okay, but see, you still reply to each and every question I ask. This means a lot. Your questions are popping up here, Amreen. So, lucky one, I would say that. Because whenever I'm looking at the screen, your question is there. So, thank you so much for appreciating that also. Thank you. Okay, I'm going a little bit up to see if I've missed something. दी मुझे मेरी मम्मी बुला रही थी पर मैं बोल दिया मैं मेरी लेडी लव लाइव. ओए मम्मी के पास जा बेटा. मम्मी से पिटाई हो जाएगी ना तो फिर बचना मुश्किल है. सो गो, मम्मी बुला रही है जाओ. लेडी लव इधर ही है. इंस्टाग्राम इज एक्टिव देयर, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. Oh, that's so funny. Queen of my heart. Thank you. Maggie or pasta? I don't eat any of them. None. I'll have the veggies which are there in the pasta. I don't eat Maggie. I don't eat pasta. Sorry. You know, like जब मैं कॉलेज में थी and I used to love pasta. Like मैं घर पे भी कुक करती होती थी. And अभी तो it's a big no for pastas. I don't like eating them. I love quiche. Have you guys tried quiche? You should try it. So yum. Like the crust of it, damn good. It's too good. It's been a long time I've eaten that. Thanks for the rapid fire, ma'am. You get 100 out of 100. Thank you. I won. Thank you so much. Where's my gift? Tell me that. I won. While shopping, you go to branded first or local? Look, I buy from. There is nothing local you get off here. There are small brands or the big brands. You can say that. But yeah, it depends on what I like. It doesn't always about the brands. Maybe some things you like it in other store. Maybe you're not liking in the brands one. So I go with what I like. So I have mixture of clothes. Yeah, most of them brands, but still mixture of clothes, I would say that. But I like, I don't go with particularly with the big brand name. I go even it's in a small one, but I like it. It looks amazing on me. I'll buy it. It is fine. Yeah, my studies are from Delhi. That's right. I finished my studies. I was working there as an aerobics instructor for like 2.5 years, I guess. And then I moved to Dubai. एक सेशन कर लो डाइट पे. You guys can ask about the diet because I look for the reducing weight. I have a lot of tips about it that I can share with you all. कि क्या क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. Like you have to eat everything first thing. You don't have to stop eating anything because जब फिर वापस से खाना शुरू करोगे, you will see you're gaining back your pounds. So better just to eat everything but in a right quantity and in a proportionate way. सही है मत पढ़ो मेरी शायरी. सी अब ऐसे होता है. लाइक आई एम सेइंग दे आर पॉपिंग अप. आई एम लुकिंग एट द वंस इज हियर. DM me your शायरी if you think I'm intentionally doing it, but I cannot see it there. I'm so sorry. You mean the world to me. Oh, that's so sweet. मम्मी तेनू खाना नहीं देनी है रात में, बात सुन ले पहले. Just kidding दी. मम्मी कह रही है कि तेनू खाना नहीं देना रात में. देख ले रात को भूखा सोना पड़ेगा. Go to mommy first. That is better. Okay. अंकु DM में send कर दे. अंकु write it now. I have to see what शायरी you're doing. Write it right now. I'm gonna look after it. Come on. तो आप दुबई में रहते हो या जॉब करते हो? I live in Dubai with my family and I work here as well. दी लाइव लिया था पिछली बार, भूल तो नहीं गया? यश मिश्रा. Oh, it was your birthday. Yes, I remember. नहीं भूली. I remember the people. Don't worry about it. मेरा फ्रेंड मुझे आपके नाम से चिढ़ाने लग गए. आप देखो ये हाल है. आपका फ्रेंड मेरे नाम से क्यों चिढ़ा रहा है? पहले मुझे ये बता. I really want to know it. What's happening? Like मेरे नाम से क्यों चिढ़ाया जा रहा है? मैनू समझ घट आती है ताई कह रहा मैं इस करके नहीं आया बाहर. अरे कोई ना. आई नो. डोंट वरी. आई एम ट्राइंग कि मैं पंजाबी च गल करा. डोंट वरी. यू व्हाटएवर यू से मैं पंजाबी च ट्राई करूँगी. डोंट वरी. इतना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अरे भाई DM कर दो यार. लुक अंकु, वेयर इज योर शायरी? देयर इज नो शायरी हियर. सी आई कांट सी एनी शायरी. वेयर इज तरणप्रीत सिंह? ही इज at his home. He's not here, he's at his home. What do you want as a gift? What I want as a gift? Lots of love from you guys. That always I wanted. The way you guys are supporting, just keep doing that. Lots of love. This filter is going crazy or what? I can see some red cheeks on my face right now. What's happening, man? आप अमेरिका चलो ना. चलेंगे. अभी अमेरिका का थोड़ा ज़्यादा बुरा हाल हुआ है. Things has to get better there. Like the things are not properly fine. As the cases are keep on increasing, and अभी इंडिया में भी same चीज़ हो रही है. So guys, please take care. Stay home. Lockdown खत्म हो गया है, but please stay home for your safety, for your health, for your family. I would suggest that. Almost 5-6 times I have asked the same question, but no response. I'm so sorry, Bhavya Kapoor. I haven't actually seen your question here. Okay, let me see. अभी तो मैं मेरा एक song है which I've shooted back, so it might be coming soon. That I have gotten information, so hope for the best. There is no date which is yet confirmed. Okay, I also have CN views. I know Ahuja, what is it? Ujjwal Ahuja, right? I know you are operating two of the ITs, yeah. शरारते इसलिए क्योंकि मैंने सबको बोला था कि आपकी आईडी ढूंढनी है और योर जस्ट फेवरेट क्वेश्चन. दैट्स सो स्वीट. दैट्स इट्स ओके. देन इट्स फाइन. चलता है. इट्स ओके. your favorite outfits. I have many of them which are my favorite, and I am more of a shorts person rather having the jeans on because यहाँ बहुत गर्मी होती है यार. So whenever I go out, I'm mostly wearing up my shorts, and yeah, अगर meetings and all that, then I carry the jeans and the blazers and all stuff. So it depends. Always be the same day, inspiring and cute. Lots of love. Bye. शादी में जाना sister, आप भी चलो. No, enjoy, but just be careful and stay safe. Wear your mask, take your precautions, take your sanitizer. शादी में जाने के लिए. America's condition is worse. Protest bhi chalu hai. I know things are happening there because it's related to the work as well. Like people want to go back to the work and everything. But yeah, the life is important. That has to be there. But let's see, because most of the countries, they're getting open up now because this is what we have to live with, and vaccine, we are still waiting for it, and let's see how it's gonna go up. But the thing is, just take precautions. Jitna precautions le sakte ho to na lo. Bahar, for no reason, don't go out. For fun, don't go out. Have your fun at home because this is not the time. Your whole family is connected to you, so better hai ghar raho, and just do all the stuff. So if it is really important, then go out. I would say that. तो आप दिल्ली में कौन से स्कूल में थे? GNPS, रजौरी गार्डन, हरिनगर. Make it whatever you want. Okay, ये 2 मिनट का लाइव रह गया खाली. So guys, I'll be going then. Or you guys want me to stay? I don't know. Followers कम है तो क्या प्यार बहुत लोगों में दी के लिए. अरे यार, followers बढ़ जाएंगे टाइम के साथ. I don't go like after, because it will increase with the work I'm doing, and the way we'll be growing. We all have started at one point, and sub grow hoga, so don't worry about it. Just stay safe, guys. It's only 1 minute and 20 seconds left, so I'll be putting this video on IGTV as well. And thank you for giving me so much love right now. Like I don't realize 1 घंटा हो भी जाता है यार तुम लोगों के साथ बात करते करते. I don't realize it. You guys are so important to me, and lots of love, and whatever questions there are still there which you guys want me to answer them, please DM me because I'll be having my phone on and I'll be replying them, so we can talk on there. And thank you so much. And for those जिन्होंने बोला कि English में बात कम करो, हिंदी या पंजाबी में करो, really sorry, but I'll try my best even from the next time. So thank you guys, and keep supporting, keep loving, and stay safe, stay home. If ज़रूरी नहीं है, don't go out because this is what we need. So thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.